In just quick 3 minutes, I'm going to tell you why you should visit Georgia. First of all, Georgia is super beautiful. We landed Tbilisi city in the month of February and the whole city was covered with snow, and it was super duper beautiful to witness that. So if you're planning to visit Georgia to enjoy the snowfall, you should visit between January to March. And if you're planning on summer, then you should visit from June to September. The rest of the months you might experience a rainy days. Also, there's no need for you to worry about the expenses because it's quite reasonable compared to some of the other holiday destinations. You will find plenty of budget-friendly hotels in the heart of Tbilisi city. Taxis are cheap, food is affordable, what else you need? Also, many of the tourist destinations are close to the city, so you can walk and enjoy. There are some Indian cuisines also available in the city and the foods are delicious. And the best thing about Georgia is they have the nicest people. They are so kind, they are so helpful. I'm not talking about only one or two people. We took help from many people and all of them took our hearts. Ananuri and Gadauri are some of the places we visited. We wanted to visit Batumi also, but we had no time. In Gadauri, many activities are available like cable car, paragliding, skating and so on. So now let's talk about the requirements to visit Georgia. If you are a resident of UAE, then you're eligible for visa on arrival. Some of the essential documents are passport, visa and travel insurance. And sometimes hotel booking and bank balance might also be required by the immigration team in Georgia. You can book the entire trip through any good travel agency in UAE, or if you want to go by your own, then you can book the ticket, you can book your hotel, and for a day trip you can hire a local travel agent from the city itself. And lastly, if you are a wine lover, then you will find varieties of wine in each and every supermarket in the city. And also you can visit the wine factory, which offers you a free taste of wine.